Hello, it's Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA newsletter market update for Tuesday, the 9th of June. Looking at Bitcoin versus US dollar, as well as everything else in the top 10, we're just slightly declining today. This is a very flat market. Nothing is going on here. However, the energy is building up a lot. We should expect to see another fairly large move pretty soon. Could be straddle time. And the implied volatility is relatively low right now, so this is a good time to do that. In the meantime, if you want to go hunting, what you can do in TradingView is go down here to the crypto screener. And what I have going on here is I just have some very simple filters for this. You can filter by performance. And what I'm generally looking for is in these exchanges, Binance, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, Bittrex, Coinbase, Gemini, right? You can pick whatever exchanges that you want to, or maybe you're just going to pick the ones that you can only trade in. All I'm looking for is the simple moving average 200 is below the last price. That's the only filter that I'm looking at here. Now, you can do a lot more than that. You can certainly add a lot of different indicators on here and set the filter for those studies. I don't think you need to do that, really. What we're looking for here is just what has started to trend above the 200-day moving average, which implies an uptrend, number one. And number two, we can sort these by the change. Now, you can also sort these by the denominator. So if I just want to look at coins that are being traded versus the US dollar, I can just type in USD in this box. And you can see some of these coins here, and this is where you have to be careful because obviously this is a coin that has very little liquidity. And the fact that it's being pumped today is making it stand out with a 53% gain. Other coins like this, maybe this is more of a decent move here with something like MKR versus the US dollar. That's a pretty big move. Here's another one. Genesis Vision is starting to work itself out of a base and is up about 23% today. We can also go over here and pick a different denominator, such as BTC. We want to see what's moving versus BTC. We have this one, and this is where you can get a lot of noise, right? So this is 100% change versus yesterday's close, but that doesn't really mean anything. So this one here is RDN. We also saw this on the US dollar one, and this is obviously making a move. We have other coins here. You just have to be careful because, again, just because the fact that yesterday was a low close, this one is up, it's still within a range. But it's not worth your time just because it has a 28% return. Here's MKR versus BTC again. Decent one. Genesis Vision versus BTC, again, pretty decent. So again, this is something that you can do when we have flat markets that aren't moving, aren't doing anything at all. You can go over here to the crypto screener, see what is moving, and then perhaps find something that you can trade, whether it's in the spot or if it does happen to have derivatives. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.